What is that?
Buzz.
Is it Big Buzz?
Buzz Lightyear to Star Command. Come in, Star Command. Go back, Doc. I have a laser, and I will use it. Stand back, everyone. Everyone take cover. Buzz Lightyear mission log.
Where's
All
this big
signs
button?
point to this planet as location observed fortress, but there seems to be no sign of intelligent life anywhere.
Oh.
Mom, who goes there?
Whoa!
I am Buzz Lightyear.
No, it makes them
I
come
in
out.
peace.
The wings come out.
Buzz Lightyear, at your service.
Wow! Take a little drink.
No.
Another drink?
He doesn't need to rehydrate.
He looked like he was very dry to me. Wow!
His helmet comes up! Oh.
Oh!
It's on.
Here, look, watch. Let me show you.
Hello.
You push this button. Makes his wings
Wow,
light
his
up.
lights come on.
Look at this one. You press this one right here. Look, press that one. Whoa. You can put his wings down. Look, you can put them down.
Pay down.
I think.
They don't go in like that, do they? No, those actually go in.
Go in like, what do you mean?
Like this one.
Oh, like that. You have to like push
Yeah.
them up. Oh, okay.
He's looking at his cover.
Yeah. Mateo, look, watch. And you hold them like that, and you push this. Just watch. Okay, that doesn't work either.
It's the center button now.
Which one? Oh, probably. Look.
Bobby.
Whoa!
Is he cool?
Put button.
All quiet, nothing to report.
Oh.
Please be careful. You don't want to be in the way when my laser goes off. They are a beryllium carbonic alloy, and I can fly.
He can fly. Do laser. Whoa.
Mateo, show Dad.
Show Daddy. Show Daddy. Turn this way.
Let me see.
See way.
What is that?
It's Buzz.
Oh, that's cool.
Is he a Big Buzz?
This helmet?
Helmet opens. Wow.
Open. Close.
He's big.
It's fine.
Make him fly.
He's two hands.
To
Whoa.
infinity and
Beyond.
yay.
He's too big.
He's got big feet.
What is it?
They're their
Say
shoes.
Andy.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is
Space
Andy.
Ah.
Whoa.
Oh, this look of satisfaction on his face is priceless.
Here, let mommy show you how.
How?
Okay, look. You go like